How to make a pineapple fizz cocktail. G'day there drinking buddies, Scotty Boxer here again for drinklab.org, your home to thousands of free cocktail recipes. This here is the Pineapple Fizz, and it's one of the millions of cocktails, well not millions but about 10,000 cocktails on our website, drinklab.org. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is how to make the Pineapple Fizz. For this you'll need 1.5 ounces of a White Rum, half an ounce of Gold Rum, 1.25 ounces of pineapple juice, 3/4 an ounce of lime juice, 3/4 an ounce of simple syrup or sugar syrup, 2 dashes of bitters, and some soda water. In a cocktail shaker with ice, pour in your white rum, rum, pineapple juice, sugar syrup, and lime juice. Put a dash of bitters in and give that a shake. Strain into a highball glass full of ice. And top with soda water. And garnish with a cherry. And there you have it, the Pineapple Fizz, just another cocktail from our website, drinklab.org. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more cocktail recipes just like this. And I will see you next time. Go out and enjoy yourself, don't destroy yourself. Cheers. Ooh, sorry. A little too full.